Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of This versus That. So today I got me a beautiful lens to show you. This is kind of like an underdog lens. This is actually the second lens that I purchased when I bought my APS-C camera. This lens is used for a6500, a6400, a6000, or even a new one, a6600. Any APS-C, you're gonna be able to use this lens on. You can even use this lens on like an A7C or an A7 III if you want to. It would just go into APS-C mode on those full frame camera. Anyway, today we're gonna test this baby on the a6500. This lens has OSS in it, so if you were to use it on like an a6000, a6100, if you have those cameras, it has stabilization in it already. It's called OSS. So yeah, this is a great lens. We're gonna go and do some video tests with this, and I'm gonna show you what this lens can do. All right, let's go and do it. I found some more green leaves on the ground here. So what I'm looking for is these green ones on the ground where it can really accentuate the background and the foreground. So even though there's a little area right here, this dead area, I guess, doesn't look very appealing to the eye, but this lens right here can really make it pop. It's amazing. The reason why is that this lens has a really shallow depth of field. There's some green there, and then with the background being very, I guess, boring in terms of color, the green will actually make that pop. And so with this lens right here, it will separate the background quite a bit with the green and that brown in the background there. So this is a good lens for that kind of stuff. So let's see here. With 120 FPS, you can definitely slow things down and make it look even smoother. Adds to the cinematic look, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's see what else we can shoot. Alright guys, so that is it for me today for this episode. I hope you guys enjoy all those little things that I did. If I had an Instagram model out here, it'll probably be even better. But for now, you guys just gonna have to deal with trees and natures and leaves. I hope you guys appreciate that. By the way, if you wanna be my Instagram model, ping me, let me know. Put in your resume. But anyway, if you like this episode, please hit like. If you don't like it, just hit dislike twice and make sure you subscribe. because we're gonna do some more of these things in the future, and we're gonna see you guys in the next episode. Bye-bye.